Camp Ariel Sharon. Camp Ariel Sharon Hebrew MKHNH Real SHRVN Mahane Ariel Sharon, also called the City of Training Bases Hebrew at HaDim or HaBahadim, is a complex of military bases being built in southern Israel, belonging to the Israel Defense Forces and named after the former Major General and Prime Minister Ariel Sharon. In total, it is a NIS 50 billion project. Upon completion, it will be the largest military base in the country, with the ability to house over 10,000 recruits in training. The base is located near Yeruham and next to the Negev Junction of roads 40 and 224. The base will serve as an umbrella training facility, housing training bases 6, 7, 10, 11, 13, 20, and other training bases, including non-combat recruit training bases. It will cover a built-up area of 230 dunams, 230,000 m². History. The project was formulated by the Planning Directorate of the Israel Defense Forces in 2002 as part of a multi-year plan. The cornerstone was laid on December 1, 2003, and the project was approved by the Israeli cabinet in April 2007. The headquarters of the base was inaugurated in November 2014. The Adjutant Corps School will move into the base in February 2015, followed by the Military Police School. Planning and construction. The view to the Negev concern, which comprises Minrav, Binet, and Electra, is building the project and will maintain it for 25 years at a cost of NIS 12 billion under a private-public partnership. The base was designed overall by the architect Ofer Kalker. Participating architectural firms include Zarhai Architects, Barhana Architects, and the architect Shlomo Gendler. The complex is planned to consist of 120 buildings. This includes 31 residential buildings, a dining room and kitchen, conference hall, commercial center, 12 schools, 12 technical workshops and logistics centers, 11 electrical substations, and some synagogues. The City of Training bases will be largely closed to private vehicles. A bike share program is being considered for the permanent staff of the base to get around. The base itself will be served by a transportation hub that will replace the existing hub in Camp Nat in Beersheba, and later by a railway line. Environmental planning. The planning was made around the Seker stream which passes through the base. A hill was created from the excess earth dug up during construction. Thousands of trees and over 100,000 plants in total will be planted throughout the base. According to the landscape architect Izzy Blanc, the base will largely resemble an urban park. All of the water that will be used to water the plants will be reclaimed water. Each building in the campus will have an energy usage meter, and planners hope that this will encourage conservation among soldiers. Bases and facilities. The City of Training bases will house the following military bases. The School for Logistics Bahed 6, moving from Camp Yigal Yad in Tzirifin. The School for Telecommunications Bahed 7, moving from Tzirifin. The School for Medicine Bahed 10, moving from Tzirifin. The Adjutant Corps School Bahed 11, moving from Tzirifin. The Military Police School Bahed 13, moving from Camp Modagur. The Ordnance Corps School Bahed 20, moving from Tzirifin. The Education Corps School, moving from Camp Shari Avraham. The Liaison Kagad School, a recruit training base that will replace Camp Dotton Camp 80, and the Nitsanim base, the hill made from the excess earth, will contain a monument to the late Israeli General and Prime Minister Ariel Sharon. Structure and command. Below is a list of commanders for the base. Impact. The base, one of the biggest in Israel, is expected to create a large number of jobs in the remote area where it is being built, especially in Yeruham.